On the green there. Yeah, speed's up. 60. Rotating. Beautiful takeoff, mate. Beautiful. Beautiful. Sweet. So we've got a bit of sun over there. Yeah, no, it's looking not too bad. That's a bit how you going. We'll just avoid that. Fine. Yeah. This way. Oh, I reckon we can get through. It looks like there's a bit of sun on that side as well, eh? Yeah. Wilcannia traffic, YMIA Victor Juliet Alpha departs upwind towards the south, 1,000 feet, maintaining Wilcannia. Beautiful. Good one, Brett. Good one. Goodbye, Wilcannia. Far out. What an absolute treasure. How's Roscoe? Yeah, bloke, eh? He's a fucking good bloke, man. Yeah. That bloke is just like proper. Yeah. And how's that? Just straight into the fucking doodle. How good? Oh yeah, how you going? How you going? How are you going? Oh, how you going? Is that the airstrip right there? Oh, no, very overgrown. No, I don't think that's it. Pooncaire traffic, YMIA Victor Juliet Alpha is approximately 16 miles to the northeast of the aerodrome. 3,000 feet maintaining to track to the west of the aerodrome, approximately 4 miles to the west, and continue to the south direct to Mildura. Pooncaire traffic. G'day. You got the aerodrome side? Nah, a bit further away from the river, man. Yeah, I think I just got it there. Oh just yeah. After that lake there. See that 12 pretty much? Yep. Hang on. Yeah, copy. Do I go live? Go live? Oh yeah? Yeah, if you want. That'd be pretty funny. I'll try not to crash. Can they hear you? No, they can't hear us. They just hear this. Oh, we're live. Bro, we're live. Oh, how good. Oh, buttered it. Absolutely buttered it. Where are we going? You don't get much smoother than that, ladies and gentlemen. You do not get much smoother than that.